Welcome back to Lifestyle Nutrition with Brian Diamond. I'm Brian, and today we are going to talk about quantified nutrition. Well, you must have wondered, what is quantified nutrition? This sounds like quantum physics. What the hell is this? However, now I'm here to simplify this whole thing down for you and make it really easy for you to understand. So all you need to know is that quantified nutrition is just like the name suggests, quantifying or checking the quantity of your daily nutrition, and that can be achieved by using one of these bad boys. And this is called a food scale or a kitchen scale. This is what you have to use to quantify your food. So let's say I want to quantify this apple. To check the weight of this apple, all I have to do is take it on, put it on top of this, and voila, I see how much it weighs. You cannot see it right now, so I have to set it down on the table, put it on top, wait for 0, click the button, wait for 0, and once that is done, place the apple. The apple is 145 grams. So now I know that this apple weighs 145 grams. So all I have to do is input this into the calorie counter app or the calorie tracking app or the macro tracking app. So all of these words, calories, macros, they're all big words, new words that you haven't heard before probably. So I'm going to make more videos and I will add them at the end of the video, so you have to wait till the end. I just started the channel, so don't worry, I'll make them. I'm creating 2 videos a week. Every week for a few weeks, I'm just going to put out the basics. Entire thing, make it really easy for you. Well, hello there. If this is the second or third time you're watching me and you still have not subscribed, then I guess that's a sign that you have to subscribe right now and hit that like button while you're at it. Coming back to quantified nutrition, I'm gonna give you a practical example. Let's say you're at a store or you just want to buy something from somewhere. You will obviously check your wallet to see if you have enough money to buy that product or whatever you want to buy, or if you carry a card or use your phone to pay, you're going to check your account if you have enough money to pay it, if it's in your budget also, especially the word budget. Remember that word. A pair of jeans, let's say you want to buy a pair of jeans, you will obviously check to see if that jeans is your waist size because it has to fit you. So the same way, every single person on earth has a daily calorie number that they have to hit to maintain their weight, to gain their weight, or to lose their weight. I only focus on weight loss, so I can show you how to lose weight very quick. You can lose weight in as quick as 1 week if you follow quantified nutrition. You can lose 2.7 kilograms in a week. I'll add that at the end of the video as well. I just started a series called Document with Diamond. I've documented my entire process, showing you that you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. That's pretty much it. Yeah, so if you watch this far, I would really appreciate it if you smash that like button, hit subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and share it with your friends and family to help them also learn about quantified nutrition. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Peace.